Revealed. Pi Network's master plan to hit the moon. You need to know this. Could a free cryptocurrency hit moon status before it even hits an exchange? It is still in beta testing. In a world of mobile mining coins that have struggled, this cryptocurrency hopes to succeed where others have failed. Find out what sets Pi Coin apart from these other failed free cryptocurrencies. Welcome to Crypto Live. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our upcoming videos about cryptocurrencies. There are plenty of opportunities for improvement and innovation for the cryptocurrency market, which is relatively new. As a new market and as something involving large sums of money, the crypto market seems like a smash and grab. Many have attempted to recreate a new and improved Bitcoin, but they have failed. Many people came up with new concepts, but they didn't seem to achieve the success of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Whenever people hear Pi, they immediately think of the mathematical constant 3.14. Although the project began on March 14, 2019, Pi Day, when the developers launched their mobile app that can mine coins for you without your input. You only need to access it once a day for it to mine for you. The beta version of Pi Network is actually a cryptocurrency project developed by Stanford PhDs Nicholas Kokalis, Shengdiao Fan, and Vince McPhillip, designed to run on smartphones. A mobile app that lets you mine Pi claims to be the first digital currency that can be mined from a mobile device. Mining on Pi does not rely on your device's power. Instead, tokens are earned through referrals and community participation. The mining of Pi doesn't involve electricity, investment, or a down payment, similar to Electroneum. Pi can be mined offline, and the app is not tied to any particular brand of device. Unfortunately, Pi tokens are not currently worth anything, and we can't be confident that they'll increase in value in the future. Even though Bitcoin mining still demands huge power inputs and significant expenditures, this new crypto network made a significant impact on the mining process. Using a mobile application, the main objective is to create a user-friendly network in which people can form chains and mine coins for minimal cost and battery consumption. It is easy to use the Pi Network app, which makes mining on the Pi Network pretty easy. Just follow the easy step-by-step instructions and you'll be mining the Pi Network in no time. First, download the Pi Network app, sign up, set up your password, fill out your profile, enter the invitation code that you get from a friend who uses the Pi Network, or you could just Google it. Just like that, you're already registered and can begin mining Pi coins shortly after you have a look around the app. A Pi will be sent to every user after they sign up. So, why should you join this network and start mining? As much as you may ask, you need to make sure you don't catch the FOMO, fear of missing out, flu again after we didn't jump on Bitcoin during its early days. Yes, you likely heard of Bitcoin back then and immediately dismissed it. Well, this is an excellent time to join the Pi Network, since even though it's a long-term project, it seems very promising. The early adopters will earn more coins per hour than those who join later, just as they do with Bitcoin's base mining rate. Those of you who download my app will be called pioneers, and they will earn about 1 Pi per hour because by the time 1 million is reached, the rate will be halved. When the Pi network reaches around 10 million users, it will stop accepting new members and will stop mining. Let's now learn about the price predictions for Pi cryptocurrency. Even though there was no specific Pi network, price predictions on the net suggested Pi would cost 16 cents by the beginning of 2020, its price staying the same. Considering the app is still in beta, the coin's price hasn't changed much in the following months. Pi's coin's acceptance or rejection was heavily dependent on the number of users or exchangers. Increasing the value of the Pi network cryptocurrency was expected to create conditions for health growth. It is difficult to predict the Pi network value in 2025 since it is too long-term, and the project is still in its infancy. Nevertheless, the price of Pi might rise to $5 or more if the network is properly developed. Cryptocurrencies that offer unique features and value always manage to get a piece of the pie. So stay tuned for more, and don't forget to leave some comments below for me to know what you think. Pi Network has 3 phases. Phase 1 includes design, distribution, and trust graph bootstrapping. During this phase, the Pi server will emulate the behavior of the decentralized system. In this phase, it will not be listed on exchanges and will not be able to buy or sell Pi. Additionally, all coins owned by users will be migrated to the live network once it is launched. During Phase 2, the testnet phase, the node software will be deployed on the first test network. Users will be able to download their nodes here. During the transaction to the main net, the network is getting ready. Meanwhile, the mainnet will be launched in Phase 3. The official mainnet of the Pi network will launch once the community feels the software is ready for production and it has been tested on the test net. It will be more efficient to run the system on its own rather than using the Phase 1 emulator. Coins will be transferred to the miner, and duplicate or false accounts will be deleted. Currently, the Pi network is in its second phase, the testnet stage. The app is still a way to stimulate a faucet. 3.5 million users have signed up as of February 2020, and a peer-to-peer transfer system as well as KYC have been tested. Currently, the mining rate is 0.4 Pi an hour, and it will halve again when the 10 million users reach the threshold. Moreover, the node software was deployed last March 31st as announced by the Pi core team on March 2020's Pi Day. It is unfortunate that there is no official schedule for Pi, and even though its testnet is expected to launch in March of 2020, the only official statement on Pi's status as a mainnet is when it's ready. As stated in the white paper, the Pi network will be launched once its community deems the software ready for production. The community will test the software extensively on the testnet before the official mainnet is launched. At that point, all validated accounts will be transferred to the main network, and the beta faucet will be shut down. Fake users, duplicate accounts, and accounts with false information will also be removed from the network. Unlike other crypto projects, this allows the everyday user to earn, get rewards, and use the app, rather than the large corporations like IBM, which is why it isn't your usual crypto project. The coins are evenly distributed among the miners, and they all have the same earning potential. In order to achieve mass adoption, the project is geared towards a wide audience. Since most people had heard of Bitcoin, it was important to compare and contrast Bitcoin's shortcomings with Pi's. In order to achieve mass adoption, wide distribution is necessary. The Pi token distributes its coins through an app that reaches its users' base. Additionally, it meets all currency requirements. A currency must have many users, fast payment speeds, and universal acceptance in order to be practically usable. As of May 17, 2021, there are more than 17 million users worldwide, and about 350,000 new accounts are being created every week. Secondly, it was between 8 and 10 seconds for a recent test of the Pi's payment speed. There are still real-life applications for Pi, which show that it can be used. Due to its slow payment speed of 30 to 120 minutes, Bitcoin is not widely used. Third, because Pi is an unlisted coin, it cannot be used right now, but considering the 2 reasons explained earlier, its universality should be high. Because of all this, Pi is likely to become a virtual currency that functions exactly like real money in the future. Furthermore, big companies may be introducing Pi. It's just a speculation, but it's not entirely false. Please, just take it as a sign of hope for the Pi network. For instance, Tesla and Pi. For sure, we are all well aware that Elon Musk has announced that Tesla cars will no longer accept Bitcoin for purchase. Since the carbon emissions are generated by mining Bitcoin were so high, they were harmful to the environment. Moreover, he said he would trade with another coin if it had a fast settlement speed without adversely affecting the environment. Some people are thinking that this coin might become a Pi network one day. Pi network is still an unlisted coin, so it has no official value, and the mainnet is scheduled for the fourth quarter of 2021. But the technology development situation for the project is very promising. Due to the use of Stellar Consensus Protocol, or SCP, it is known as a minting method instead of a mining method, so the impact on the environment is not so bad. When measuring the payment speed of the test wallet, the result was about 8 seconds, which is extremely fast. As a result, there are many opinions that Tesla will adopt this as a payment method if the Pi network becomes public in the future. That's all for this video about crypto, and thank you for watching. If you would like to receive updates on the crypto market, make sure you click the subscribe and bell button.